In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install PayPal on desktop. We'll walk through how to turn the PayPal website into an app-like experience on your computer using your browser. This is especially helpful if you want quick access to PayPal without having to open your browser and type in the address every time. First, go ahead and open your preferred web browser on your computer. In the address bar at the top, type in paypal.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure you're going to the official PayPal website and wait for the page to fully load. Once the PayPal homepage is open, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. You should see an icon for more options. This is usually represented by 3 vertical dots or 3 horizontal lines, depending on your browser. Click on that More Options icon to open the drop-down menu. From this menu, move your mouse over the section that mentions casting, saving, or sharing the page. In many browsers, this will be labeled something like Cast, Save, and Share. When you hover over it, another small menu or set of options will appear. In that expanded menu, look for the option that says Install Page as App, or something very similar. This option allows your browser to treat the current website like an application on your computer. Go ahead and click on Install Page as App. After you click it, a small pop-up window will appear near the top of your screen. This pop-up is asking you to confirm that you want to install PayPal as an app. You may see the PayPal name and icon here. Simply click the Install button in this pop-up to continue. Your browser will now quickly install PayPal as an app. Once the installation is complete, PayPal will automatically reopen, but this time it will appear in its own separate window, similar to a standalone program rather than just another browser tab. Take a look at your taskbar, usually at the bottom of your screen. You should now see a dedicated PayPal icon there. This means PayPal has been successfully installed as an app on your desktop. From now on, you can click that icon directly to open PayPal, making it faster and more convenient to access your account whenever you need it.